For over a decade, the action camera world has had one undisputed king. We've seen GoPro dominate our helmets, our surfboards, and our handlebars with a grip so tight it seemed impossible to break. But while the giant was sleeping, a silent predator was evolving. In late 2025, the game didn't just change, it was completely reset. DJI hasn't just released a new camera with the Osmo Action 6, they've released a statement of war. We are looking at technology that makes every previous action camera look like a toy from the early 2000s. Today, we are diving into the Pro revolution, the sensor that shouldn't fit in this size, and why the American adventurer is finally moving away from the blue logo for good. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you think you've seen stable footage, I want you to erase those memories. The Osmo Action 6 is not just another incremental step. It is the world's first action camera to feature an industry-first variable aperture system. For the first time, you are no longer a slave to the sun. Whether you're diving into the deep, dark blue of the Florida Keys or skiing under the blinding white peaks of the Rockies, this camera adjusts its physical lens, not just its software, to give you cinema-grade exposure. This is the moment the action camera grew up and became a professional tool. The sensor, physics defied. The biggest lie in the camera industry is that megapixels matter most. They don't. What matters is the size of the bucket catching the light. While competitors have been trying to cram more pixels into tiny sensors, DJI went the other way. The Osmo Action 6 features a massive 1/1.1-inch square sensor. This is effectively a 1-inch class sensor living in a body that fits in the palm of your hand. But why a square sensor? This is the genius of the Action 6. In 2025, we don't just shoot for YouTube. We shoot for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and the big screen simultaneously. With this square format, you capture everything. You can crop into a perfect vertical 9:16 for your followers and a cinematic 16:9 for your documentary without losing a single detail or needing to rotate the camera. It's shoot once, post everywhere technology, and it's finally perfected. And then there's the resolution. DJI recently dropped a firmware update that sent shockwaves through the community. Native 8K at 30 frames per second. Imagine the level of detail. You can pull a 33-megapixel still frame out of your video and it looks better than most standalone cameras. The clarity is so high that you can literally see the individual grains of sand on a beach from a wide-angle shot. Low light, the midnight beast. If you've ever tried to use an action camera at a campfire or during a night ride in the city, you know the result, a grainy, muddy mess. The Action 6 officially ends the low-light curse. Thanks to that massive sensor and the f/2.0 aperture, this camera sees better than the human eye in the dark. DJI's new Super Night mode uses AI noise reduction that happens at the hardware level, not just as a filter. The result is clean night footage that actually looks like it was shot on a full-frame mirrorless rig. This isn't just a camera for the day, it's a camera for the 24-hour lifestyle. Stabilization, RockSteady 4.0 and AI. Stabilization used to mean cropping in and losing your field of view. But with RockSteady 4.0, DJI is